Hello everyone, it's me Louis Carpuz, Discoveru. We are here in Queen of Peace Road, Lower Lourdes. Let's go walk at the big building. Let's go walk, going home. But first we're gonna buy a little grocery. Let's go. There's a crane there, who will like that. He has a toy like that. Wow, this is a nice house. We are here in Queen of Peace. Wow, that building, nice. This is the... oh, it's closed. This is the basketball court. They're probably renovating it. Anyways, let's just go. Let's keep walking. Queen of Peace Road, Discoveru. Wow, they have 7-Eleven here. 7-Eleven. The city camp. Wow, there's also a school. Ridgeview Academy of Baguio Incorporated. So we are now here in Queen of Peace. Queen of Peace Road. So we are here now. Queen of Peace Road, Baguio City. MRR Queen of Peace Barangay. There. We are now in Queen of Peace. We came from there. So we're already here walking. So remember that road? We already passed that road. We were walking there. So the fog is coming. Let's go. Already near. That's Pine City National High School. That. Okay, hello everyone. That's MRR Queen of Peace. Now we are in Palma Urbano. This is Palma Urbano Barangay. So this is it, Pine City National High School. Here in Palma. So we are now here, Palma Urbano. Oops. There are ATMs also here. This is where I buy sisig at Seal. So we are now here, Ligarda Road. So that's Mount Crest. Mount Crest. Jollibee's there. And this is Golden Pine Hotel. This is where me and my wife reception for our wedding back in the day. So thank you for watching Discover Roo. More blessings to all of us.